Kiyomi, Kiyomi. Chocomuffin nandiyo.
Hello everyone! My name is MC at nagbabalik na naman po ako for another iDay PH Revo Project video. Noong Kapaskuhan, hindi lang natin sinelebrate ang Pasko, kundi Kiju releases or announces that beta testing for iDay PH Revo Project is now open. So pwede na tayo makapaglaro ng multiplayer for iDay. Pero hindi lang basta laro ang gagawin natin, guys. Kasi we're not only gonna play, but also will be helping out the developers to make the game even better. Baka nakapaglaro na at nakapag-try na ng beta testing under Kiju's work. As you can notice, marami pang bugs, marami pang kailangan ayusin, and it's our turn to help them out. So since they were able to bring back our childhood memories and nostalgia in terms with playing iDay, our return is just to help them make it better by helping them reporting those bugs. So, paano mo ma-report kung wala ka pang access? Tama, di ba? Para maka-access ka sa kanilang beta testing, first is kailangan mo munang pumunta sa website nila at mag-register and then download yung launcher for iDay Online. And this is their website. Tada! Ayan. So, this you just need to type in idate.games and you should be routed here sa page na to. If just in case na magkaroon kayo ng issue about going into this certain web page, wag po kayong mag-alala. Just go to their Discord server, which is discord.gg/idayph, and they will definitely assist you para po magkaroon kayo ng access dito sa website na to. Ayan. So this is just for the sake of the video. Okay? So, this is what you will see initially pagpasok nyo sa website kapag hindi pa kayo registered. Okay? Okay. So, first is hit register. Ayan. And then these are the information na tatanungin sa'yo once you register, which is your username, character name, the gender that you want to be when you go inside, which is male or female, and then your password and confirm password, and then agree to terms and conditions, and make sure that you are not a robot. Once you register, they will be giving you 15,000 e-points that you can consume for your access for your avatar, so that you can buy costumes, accessories, and such. Now, after you register here, you need to hit download. So, hindi, disclaimer, okay? Kung meron ka na nung iDay offline, pag hindi mo na yun gagamitin muna if you're going to be an online beta tester, you just need to hit download it, and download for Windows. Either you choose Google Drive or Mediafire. When I did mine, I choose Mediafire. Okay. And then pagkatapos nyo siyang i-download, i-extract nyo lang siya. Tapos meron dun option to create a shortcut. Okay? Now, kapag na-download nyo na siya at na-extract nyo na, ganito ang magiging itsura niya sa inyong computer or sa laptop nyo. And then once you have the right launcher for the online beta testing, pag pinindot nyo siya, ito ang lalabas. Tadan! Iyan ang lalabas. So, then hit play and then wait for the... Ayan. Now, minsan, kapag ino-open nyo yung emulator, may lumalabas na error message doon, which is which is yung parang ISO file. If that happens, ang gawin nyo lang, right-click nyo yung iDate Revival and then run as administrator. Pag ni-run nyo siya as administrator, goods na yun. Hit play. There you go. So, ano ang gagamitin kong pang-login dito? Ang gagamitin kong pang-login dito is yung ni-register mo sa iDate.games. Then, login. And there you go, you're in. And now, you can enjoy iDate multiplayer beta testing. Ayan. Medyo umunti na ang tao. First 2 days ata, 3 days is marami pa yan. There you go. That's how you can play iDate online beta testing. So that's how you can be part of the beta testing for iDate Revival Project PH. Now, after you play at marami kayong napansing problema or marami kayong bugs, dito na papasok ang ating trabaho, which is bug reporting. Ayan. So, Kiju and the developers actually asking our assistants, the players, para ma-fix nila yung game or, you know, to make it better. Alright. And paano nga ba tayo mag-report ng mga bugs? So, you just need to go back to the website, which is idate.games, and then pagka-round dito sa homepage, on the options, doon sa my top left corner, kasama or katabi ng how to install, is yung report. So, click mo yung report, and this is where you can submit the issues or bugs na na-experience nyo within the game. Okay? So, you just need to select if it's a bug, a glitch, an account error, a login issue, or other. Baka may iba pa kayo napapansin na hindi kasama dito sa options na to. So, let's say it's a bug or glitch. Let's say number 9 song judgment bug. Ganon. And then, if we highly recommend to send some screenshots or take some screenshots of the specific bug that you want to report para makita nila exactly kung ano yung issues na na-experience mo or what is the exact issue yung nire-report mo, and just submit the report. In that way, mas makikita po ng mga developer na yung kailangan nilang ayusin. Diba? In that way, mas madali nilang ma-identify at mas madali rin nilang ma-resolve yung mga bugs na na-experience nyo. Even with the costumes, yung rhythm, mali yung beat, masyadong off yung labas nung notes, send it here. Trust me guys, napakasipag po ng mga developer ng iDate Revival PH po in terms with fixing those bugs, as long as it is being reported properly. Ayan. In that way, madali po nilang ma-resolve yung mga issues na na-experience mo sa game. And that's it for our video on how to be part of the iDate PH Revival Project beta testing and how to report bugs so that we can make iDate PH game even better. To know more about iDate PH Revival Project, you can go to their Discord page, which is discord.gg/iDatePH, or you can go to their Facebook page, which is facebook.com/iDatePH. Again, this is MC. It's a Sabing. I hope you enjoyed the rest of your day and happy gaming. Bye, guys.